this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your public channel to be private. So I have this channel that I own and run. If I tap on it and then tap on top here, you can see the channel is public. This is a public channel, meaning anyone can search for it online and then join. However, I'd like to make this channel private so that only those people I've shared the link with or specific people can join the channel. So to make this channel private, just click on this pencil icon here, and this will open up your settings on your channel. Under channel type, you can see the type is public. So to change it, just tap on channel type, and then we have two choices here. Currently it is set to public. To make it private, just tap on private channel, and immediately a unique link for your channel was created. Just go ahead and copy it and then save to make the changes on your channel. So if we go back, you can see now the channel is private, meaning all the interactions on this Telegram channel are limited to the few private members. So that's how you change your channel from public to private. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.